Hey guys, welcome to Need to Know, and in this video I will teach you how to use free broadband. So this is not a trick or any sort of hack that you might be thinking. This is based on the CMD command, not a simple one, but the ones we are taught in networking classes. So the LAN operators or the broadband operators who have left their systems or networks vulnerable can be used by this trick. And remember kids, this video is only for educational purposes and we don't condone using net for free using this trick even if it works for you. So let's jump into it. Open CMD, type in ARP, hit enter. Now you need to type in ARP, give a space, -A. Now what it does is it displays a table, ARP table. It's called ARP table. It shows different IP addresses and their relative MAC addresses attached to it. For the dynamic ones, the type you have to see the column type, and the ones that are being shown as dynamic, only these ones can be used, and the static ones are of no use. Since the values are already above 223 and the first value can only be 223, these values can't be used. So as you can see, these are some of the network addresses that are being used by my IP address operator, and basically the technique here is that when the connection is connected through these systems and then it comes to me. To make it a little simple, it's not that simple, but if you understood it, quite good. But if you didn't, let's move to another step. So after you have gathered this information, what to do next? What you need to do is take a snapshot or write it down somewhere. Internet address and the corresponding physical address. Physical address is the address which your broadband provider uses to identify you. So what you need to do next is click on this LAN icon, open it, go into the properties tab. Remember, you need to have administrator privileges in order to use this trick. Go to properties, IP4 properties here, and the IP address that you recovered over here or found over here, type it in over here. Remember the value should be between these three default gateway, these three values or elements is a networking term. These elements stay the same, only this thing changes. So, and this thing, the value goes on from 1 to 255. So whichever the address you found should be between 1 to 255, or it won't work. So the default gateway will remain the same. In the row next to IP address column, you need to insert the new IP address that you found. So suppose you found 3, enter 3 here. Okay, close it down, close it also. Now again open it. Now go to properties, Now go to configure, click on the advanced tab. Now go to network addresses. Now the corresponding network address that you found, it will be set as the by default it is set to no, not present, but you click over here next to value and then feed in the network address over here without any hyphens. It's only of 10 elements, and after you are done, click OK. Yes, so click OK. Your Ethernet cable will go off for some seconds, or go off for some seconds, and then it will be back on, and you will see that there is no yellow or red signal over here, and you are good to go. And so this video is purely for educational purposes, and we won't advise you to use free broadband or internet using this. However, this is a simple command based technique. Anyone can be vulnerable to it, so new budding startups that provide internet or broadband should take you, and they should provide encrypted login, or their users can be exploited by the backdoor. So if you found this video educational, informational, please hit the like button. If you want to know anything more, please write it down in the comments, and for more such videos, please hit the subscribe button. It will be a great motivator.